Okay, before I start with Steve, my company for the past 2, 3 years has been hitting a plateau in terms of revenue and profit, and we were doing too many products. And now we kind of choose what not to do, what to specialize in our niche, develop a marketing program. We have a structure for marketing, getting more leads and launching a new product. With so many products, I believe it was about 125 product range. We're not getting specialized and we can't really offer much value to our customers. And it's getting to a point where it's very difficult to manage in terms of the cost, the customer base, and we're getting a very little repeat customers for each product lines. So it's wasting a lot of resources both in development and effort in our people and salespeople energy. Working with Steve gave me a platform, a structure to work on a step-by-step progress on marketing and getting a new product out to the market, as well as testing those ideas and marketing ideas, as well as the product launch. So I achieved a really great results on the product launch. We are able to anticipate many of the marketing issues, both on the ground as well as to our own salespeople. It helps to achieve on a little bit faster, someone who has done it already, and help us grow from our limiting decisions or beliefs that we have passed because we are too close to our companies, too close to the industries, helping someone from the outside open our minds, as well as getting there faster than we could be if we go to do or choose to do it alone. Working with Steve has helped me gain the knowledge at a much faster rate than I could possibly get by just attending seminars or reading books or just talking to our internal people. The brainstorming and the ideas generated are very valuable. And because of having a coach hold us accountable every 2 weeks, we kind of talk to each other. That gives me the time to execute all the ideas instead of just getting the knowledge and put back the execution.